English classes. Today we have to study the present continuous negative sentences. Okay, let's begin. When we make present continuous negative sentence, active voice tense, active voice. When make active voice tense, structure is subject is are am not plus main verb first form plus ing plus object. When we change passive voice, then we use structure object is or am not being be third and other plus by subject. Use of this structure we can make active voice negative sentence and passive voice negative sentence. When we have get active voice sentence, then we can change this sentence into passive voice use of this structure. Now examples. He is not trying to solve this question. Here in this sentence, he is a singular numbers, that's why we have to use is and not. After that, after helping verb we have to use not, make two negative sentence. And trying is a main verb main verb fourth form and to first form and object. So this sentence we have to make into passive voice, then we use active voice object as a passive voice subject. This question, after that according to object we have to use helping verb is or am. This is the question, this question is a singular number, that's why use is. After that we have to use not, and after being main verb third form, trying third form, tried, after to solve. This question is not being tried to solve by him. Next example. Raj is not doing his work. To change into this sentence in the passive voice tense, his work is not being done by Raj. In this way, we can change negative sentence active voice to passive voice. When interrogative sentence, when we make interrogative sentence, then we use active voice sentence. Active voice sentence our structure, we use helping verb in the beginning of sentence is, are, am, subject main verb first form plus ing plus object plus other and question mark. When this sentence change into passive voice, passive voice tense structure is are am object plus being main verb third form plus other plus by subject plus question mark. The use of this structure we can make negative sentences and interrogative sentence. Example: is he writing a letter? This sentence is interrogative active voice tense, and we have to change this sentence into passive voice interrogative sentence. Then we use a letter is object, that's why is comes in the beginning of the sentence after a letter. After that we have to use being main verb third form written by him. This way sentence has been completed. Is a letter being written by him? In this way we can make interrogative sentence. When we need to make interrogative sentence active voice and passive voice, then we have to use active voice sentence structure is RM subject main verb first form plus ing after object and other. And when we have to make passive voice interrogative sentence, then use is RM plus object plus being main verb third form other plus by subject and question mark. In this rule we can make interrogative sentence. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share my videos with your friends and relatives.